So now we need to start the pairing with your mobile phone, but first of all we need to turn on the Etycom unit. So first of all we need to hold and press the phone button and the intercom button for a few seconds, and you will be here flashing a blue light. You see, this means it's on. So right now we need to enter the pairing mode. How to do so? Again, pretty simple. We need to press and hold here the phone button for a few seconds, and you will see a red and blue flashing light. When it's like that, it means the Etycom device actually entered the pairing mode. So right now you need to take your phone, go on settings, go on Bluetooth, open it, turn it on, and the device will try to pair with your phone, but you need to, it will appear here in your phone, like in Etycom. You click it, just wait a couple of seconds, and in the moment that is done the connection, you will see another blue flashing light that is actually slower than before. So the pairing is done. So your phone is paired with your device. As well, there is another option with the Etycom unit. Basically, we can connect and pair another phone, so you have two at your disposal. Basically, you need to follow the same step that I just showed you. Basically, you need to press and hold the phone button as before, and enter in pairing mode, go on your settings, Bluetooth, click it on it, and you will see the pairing made in two phones. Maybe you're wondering why we need to have two phones connected. Maybe because you have one personal phone and another for, work, business, so you have business call, and that's why maybe you want to use two phones connected to your device. So now we can move forward to the interesting feature that we already actually showed you a little bit before. So we can call, you can listen to the music or listen to the radio. So we start actually right now with incoming calls, because it's one of the main features, as said. So when you receive an incoming call, you have two ways to answer it. You can just press the phone button here once directly, or you just wait 7 seconds and the Etycom device will automatically answer it for you. When you want to end your call, you press again the phone button like this. It's pretty simple, right? Instead, if you have an incoming call but you want to reject it, again you need to press and hold, though in this case here, the phone button. Instead, if you want to redial the last call that you had, you need to use two fingers, phone button and volume up button. You just click once like this and you redial the last number. As well, there is an interesting feature. We can just double click the phone button like this, and you can activate Siri or the S voice on your phone, and you can just pick the microphone, the name that you want, so call Lena, and the device will call for you. So these are the features for the calls. So now we can move forward and actually see the music features. So for example, when you want to play your favorite music, you need to go on your phone. You need to go to the music player that you have. Could be anyone actually. Play your favorite song, and then when you want to pause, again you need to press the phone button here just once. You want to replay it, again you click here the phone button. Simple. If you want to move forward to the next song, instead you need to press the volume up button. Instead, if you want to go backward, you need to press the down volume button. This is just to move back and forth. Then you're going to think, how are you increase or decrease the volume? Pretty simple. We still use the volume here, up and down button. So if you want to increase the volume, you press and hold volume up. If you want to decrease it, you need to press and hold volume down. And these are the features for the music. So now it's time to show you how to actually pair two units of the Etycom. So first of all, we need to turn them on, both units. So again, remember, press and hold the phone button and intercom button. It's blue here, it's flashing blue. Both they're on, so this is the first step. So now we need to enter the pairing mode. So you need to press and hold here the intercom button. You need to do one by one. You see red and blue flashing lights. Pairing mode, we need to do it again for both. Okay. So now we just press either one or the other once. Here the intercom. If we start flashing blue really fast, it means it's searching. When it found the other unit, they will both basically flash at the same time, blue light. So now the units are paired. So now we want to talk, we need to try. So to do so, we need to press once again the intercom button here and just do it fast once like this. The intercom is open. It's free. Okay, so you can try. Hello, it's actually working, so you can try it actually with maybe two persons, it's gonna be easier. When I want you end the intercom talk, either of the one, you just need to press again the intercom button like this. And you repeat as many times as you want. So, maybe you're wondering as well the range of the intercom. Well, in our downtown area we have 500 meters like range. Outside, so in an open space, we have 1.2 kilometers range. However, if for any reason you go out of range because it's like a bigger distance and the units are going to be disconnected, you don't need to worry about it, because the two units are made to be automatically reconnected when they are in range. And when they are, you will feel like you hear it actually on your speaker a high tone pitch, so you will know. Many of our customers have a main concern that it's related to the fact that if our units, like ETCOM unit, would be able actually to connect to other brand Bluetooth intercom units. The answer is yes, it's possible to pair without no problems, because our ETCOM actually is designed and built in a universal pairing way. So it will be no problem to connect with other brands. So obviously you need to take the other brand device that you have, you need to turn it on, and you need to put it in pairing mode. You need to enter it. So you just need to follow the instruction of your brand. When you enter for both, like pairing mode, like we already showed you, it's actually like you open the intercom, you press it in our case like this, it's gonna flash it like this, and you enter for the others too. You need to connect it though through ours like unit, because this one is designed with universal pairing, so you need to do everything from this ETCOM. When it's actually both connected, if you want to start the intercom talk, you need to press in our unit here, the intercom, it will start, and to end it again, you need to press the intercom. So now let's go through the last feature, that is the FM radio. We still didn't do it. As you see, and as I already told you before, we have a FM button. So basically you just need to press it like this, and you will hear in your speaker like FM radio. When you want to like move forward to the next radio station, you just need to press the volume up button here like this, and if you want to backward, you just press like the down volume button like this. When you want to turn it off, well, you need to do the same system as before. You press again FM radio button. Pretty simple, right? So the feature, they're all for now. So thank you for watching the video, and should you have any question or any, I don't know, clarification that you need from us, feel free to contact us by email or call us, and we're gonna come back to you in 24 hours, 7 on 7. So what can I say? Stay tuned for more instructional video from Leximoto, and as always, hashtag hear the difference. Bye.